Here we are out on the water again in the new boat, and she's running good. There goes Terry. Hey, Terry. We ain't got her wide open because there's too many stumps out here. Oh yeah. Welcome to Lake Talquin. It's a beautiful sight. Motor is running good. We're trying to stay close to the banks just in case something goes wrong. What a beautiful sight. Enjoying the freedom of the open outdoors. I sure would love to have a house out here. What a beautiful sight. Open her up for a few seconds. Yeehaw! That little motor runs really good. Absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful day to be out here on the water too. Ooh, I just barely missed that stump. I better slow down. I just barely missed that stump. I seen it in a wake. Yeah.